Hey guys, it's Mrs. Weisling. Hope you're being happy, healthy, and safe like always. For today's lesson, I wanted to look over the syllable pattern CVC. This is what you should be doing today in your English Language Arts homework. So I just wanted to take a look at it with you, give you some examples, and then let you go and try it on your own. I know we've talked a lot about syllables in the past when I give you a sight word in class and then I ask you to clap out the syllables. So we're going to watch a fun YouTube video talking all about syllables. And then we are also going to complete a few of these together, finishing the word with the correct CVC words. So without further ado, let's go ahead, take a look at the fun syllable video, and then go from there.
Hi! Okay, everybody. The English language has many words. Like this. So many words. And every word can be split into parts. We call these parts syllables. Syllables. A word could have one, or two, or three, or four, or even more syllables. Syllables.
Could a word have 1,000,000 syllables?
No, that is too many syllables.
What about 4 syllables?
Yes, I already said that. Ha! No more questions. Anyway, a syllable is like a beat. Do you know what a beat is? Drummer! Please play a beat. Thank you. That is a good beat. You can make a beat by clapping your hands. Now get those hands up. Let's practice.
So get your hands up. We're going to do these with him. He's going to give us a word and we're going to clap out the syllables.
One beat. Okay, ready? Here we go. Clap. Ha-ha! Now let's try it with some words. We start with the easy ones. Words with one syllable and therefore one beat. The first word is dog. Dog. Dog.
So if dog has only one syllable, how many claps are we going to do? One, right?
Dog! Ha ha! Good girl! Now everybody clap your hands to make one beat when I say the word dog. Okay, ready?
Ready?
Here we go.
Dog.
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 Dog. Dog. Hey! Good job. Next, we'll try a word with 2 syllables. Apple. 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 Is it apple?
So if something has 2 syllables, how many claps are we going to do? 2, right? It's kind of breaking the word into halves. Or halves.
Huh,
I'm sorry.
Thank you. The word apple has 2 syllables and therefore 2 beats. It's kind of like it's split into 2 parts, like this. The first part is ap, and the second part is pull. Now everybody clap your hands and make a beat when I say each part of the word apple. Okay, ready?
Here we go.
Here we go.
Apple.
Pull. Ap,
Apple.
pull. Ap, pull.
Apple.
Ap,
Apple.
pull. Ap, pull. Apple! Yay! Ha-ha! You're doing great. Next we will try a word with 3 syllables. Ladybug. 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 Ladybug.
So try and clap out ladybug on your own right now. Ladybug, right?
I said ladybug! Wow, that is a big ladybug. The word ladybug has 3 syllables and therefore 3 beats. It's kind of like it is split into 3 parts. The first part is le, the second is d, and the third part is a bug. Now everybody clap your hands and make a beat when I say
Put your hands
each
up.
part of the word ladybug. Okay, ready? Here we go. Le, di, bug. Le, di, bug. Le, di, bug. Le, di, bug. Le, Good job! And finally, we try a word with 4 syllables. Salamander. Salamander.
Ooh.
Salamander. Salamander. It's a salamander. Huh.
So try and do salamander right now. Clap out salamander. It has 4 syllables. So try and clap it out. Salamander. Salamander.
Hi, salamander. The word salamander has 4 syllables and therefore 4 beats. It's kind of like it is split into 4 parts. The first part is sal. The second part is a. The third part is man. And the last is der. Now everybody clap your hands and make a beat when I say each part of the word salamander.
You ready?
Okay, ready? Here we go. Sal, a, man, der. Sal, a, man, der. Sal, a, man, der. Sal, a, man, der. Salamander! Salamander! Oh! Yeah! Superb! Wow! That's it for now. Until next time. See you later.
All right. Good job. So, oops. Okay, so let's take a look back at your work. I believe this is page 18. And we are going to look at each word, decide how many syllables it has, and then finish the word with the correct CVC. So take a look at this first picture. What's that a picture of? A trumpet, right? Trumpet. How many syllables does trumpet have? Let's clap it out. Here we go. Trumpet. So that has 2 syllables. Then you need to write the correct CVC word right here. How do we spell pet? P-E-T. And I wish I could write on here, but unfortunately I cannot. So I just made a quick Google Doc to fill this in. So how do you spell pet? Oops. P-E-T. Trumpet. So that's what you would write in the first box. Let's take a look at the second one. What's that a picture of? That is a magnet. Or I'm sorry, magnet. So how many syllables does that have? 2. Magnet. So what is the CVC word that we need? We already have mag. So what's the last piece of the word? Net. N-E-T. So go ahead, you're going to write the word net. Let's do it together. N-E-T. Net. So in number 2, you would just write the word net. Let's take a look at number 3. What is that boy holding? A napkin. Napkin, right? So how many syllables does napkin have? Clap it out. Napkin. 2 syllables again. And we have nap right here, and now we need to finish with kin. Napkin. Yeah. So take a look at nap and write the word kin. K-I-N. Napkin. And that's where you will put kin in number 3. Take a look at number 4. What is that boy wearing? A helmet, right? How many syllables does helmet have? Helmet, helmet, 2. We already have hell, now we need to add met. So how do you spell met? M-E-T, met. So I would put met right here. The last one, what's that a picture of? A basket, right? You can do this one on your own, but tell me how many syllables it has and then how to finish the word. You already have bass. Now you need to add ket. K-E-T. All right? At the bottom it says read each word, tell how many vowel sounds you hear, tell how many syllables are in the word. So I would like if you could put the syllables, the number of syllables, right next to the picture. So right next to trumpet we would put 2. Right next to magnet we would put 2. Right next to napkin we would put 2. And helmet we would put 2. And you tell me how many syllables basket would be. All right? If you have any questions, let me know. And for a little extended activity, I might have you show me a video of you clapping out your name. Tell me how many syllables are in your name, okay? So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye, I miss you.